keep hitting my line. Leave him on red cause he wasting my time. He cute, but that nigga ain't mine. I don't give him on much. That nigga's a fool. Made that assumption he fucking with you. Bitches be tripping and thinking we cool. Today I got time and I'm telling the truth. Ooh, like why so serious? Like why I'm hitting this? Is this what you do?